welcome back to my channel. So how's everyone? Today is December 23rd and tomorrow's Christmas Eve. I know I haven't posted anything in a while, which I'm so sorry. It's been so busy, but hopefully things will get back to normal and I will be posting at least once a week to start, and then hopefully I'll be able to get more videos out. Sorry, I look a freaking mess. I just got home from work and I was just excited because I've been waiting for this package for so long, and it's finally here. So I went ahead and opened the box, but I was like, let me just do a video because why not? So I got something from last week's drop, and then the week before that I got something as well. So this actually took like almost 2.5 weeks or so. I'm not 100% sure. I think I ordered this on December 9th. It was a Thursday. So yeah, so it took pretty long, but I'm excited that it's here, and I'm gonna go ahead. I opened the box already, like I said, and take everything out. So excited. All right, so start off, this is all I got: a stupid logo box sticker thing. Can you send me something cool? Like, I need some cool stickers, bro. I'm waiting for like 3 weeks for this. So, and I was so upset because I wanted to get it last week because this is something I could use now for Christmas. You know, like I guess the day before Christmas Eve, like. But anyways, so me all chit chatter, I did get one of the Supremes Christmas tree stars, toppers, whatever you want to call it. So I did go for the silver one at first, but I really liked how the red one looked, so I just went for the red one. And here is the thing, you put it on. So you put the star on here. So let's go ahead and take it out because I'm going to go put it on my tree right now. So it's metal, so it's very, very nice. Painted in red, or whatever you want to call it. And then here's the star. So it brings it's called Christmas tree topper, and you know it talks about the star, but we don't care. Here's, oh my god. So I thought it was gonna be heavier, but it's, you know, just plastic, so it doesn't weigh that much. But wow, look at this. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Alright, and then the inside is like this. So apparently this spins around. And it's supposed to shoot, I think little snowflakes. I'm not sure, so I'll put it on so we can see. I'll put it down on, I'll record myself putting it on the tree and stuff so you can see how it looks. Because it's so exciting. Like, look how pretty this is. Oh my god, I am so happy I got this. Very nice. So I guess we'll talk about this more downstairs. But I was upset because last week's drop, which I got one thing, I wanted to get the snow globe, and while I was just, you know, I took too long, and I always tell myself not to do this, but I did this, and I wasn't able to get the snow globe, which was so cute, and I'd like to have these little things to add to my collection, but I wasn't able to get it. But one thing I did get was, oh, and look, more box logo stickers. Like, can you send me something good? It's very cool. I thought this would be cool. It feels thin. The little opening here looks pretty small, but I guess it stretches when you put it on. So I'm gifting this, so I'm not gonna open it and try it on. But it is very pretty. Very nice. I'd probably wear it just because it says Supreme, but I've never wore one of these before. But it's pretty cool to have. But yeah, it's pretty long too. Like, keeps you warm from like here to, you know, head to neck, head to chest. So really cool. That's all I got in the last 2 weeks. I really haven't been getting anything for personal or reselling use. It's just not it. But you know, when something calls my attention, I like to get, especially if it's for, you know, myself to keep. Let me know if you were able to get any of the other stars, or if you got a star, because honestly that's pretty cool to have. And I might have to go get the silver one because I need different colors for different trees. I do different themes every year, so definitely gonna need that silver one. And if you were able to get the snow globe, please comment down below. I haven't seen it yet anywhere, like physically someone like showing it, but I bet it's nice. It looked really pretty in the picture. So sorry I have orange hands. I was chopping carrots. Long story. Anyways, or if anybody was able to get anything this past week, and then today I did go for something and then I didn't get it, so I was really upset. But I don't need it, right? I tell myself that all the time. I don't need it when I don't get it. Save some money. But let's go put this star up now. So I am in love. It has little snowflakes and the word supreme, and this is how it looked on the tree. The tree was very tall, so you couldn't really see the really nice lights, but look how cute it looked all together. So I forgot to record an ending for my video, but I am so excited. I got the star. It looks so good on the tree, and it's late, I know. Today is Thursday the 30th, so this video will be going up today. But I just want to say thank you to everyone that always supports me and watches my videos. Just make sure to comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know if you got anything from Supreme, like I said in my video. And Happy New Year's to everyone. And I'll see everyone in my next video.